Sepolesa sa Mpumalanga se atlehile ho tshwara mmelaellwa ketsahalong ya ho Tlatlapa nkgono Esther Mahlangu ya dilemo tse 87 mo a ileng a nkelwa le sethunya sa hae. Tlatlapo ena e etsahetse kgweding e fetileng. Tonakgolo ya Mpumalanga Refilwe Mtshweni-Tsipane o etetse nkgono kajeno.
We have come to a point where we were able to successfully identify the suspects, and subsequent to that we arrested them. The first one was arrested early in the morning, where we confiscated the gun that belongs to Ugogo Mahlangu, which was equally successfully identified as hers. And upon his arrest, we then probed further to say where exactly did he got this gun from. He managed to successfully take us to where he bought the gun from. So it was a gentleman from Mr. Los. So fortunately we followed him up, and we managed to get hold of him. He was arrested sometime during the day around 11 a.m. today. Now as we speak, they are held in custody. They will be appearing in court tomorrow morning.